Happy evening to everyone. Welcome to Tenimax. I am going to exercise 2.8, question number 6. What is the question? If omega not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity, show that the roots of the equation, the given equation z minus 1 the whole cube plus 8 is equal to 0. 3 times. First one minus 1, second time 1 minus 2 omega, third one 1 minus 2 omega square. Okay, so what we have to do is z minus 1 the whole cube plus 8, bring out opposite side means minus 8. Then next condition is z minus 1 the whole cube. How to split the minus 8? We can write now minus 8 into 1. It's not affect, isn't it? Any other term. So next cube, bring out opposite side, isn't it? So z minus 1, okay, cube means how to split minus 8? Minus 2 the whole cube. Then what is the meaning of 1? In polar form எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? Cos 0 plus I sin 0, because cos 0 value will be 1, sin 0 value will be 0. So 1 plus 0 means 1 will come. So instead of 1, we can write it cos 0 plus I sin 0. Then cube, bring out opposite side means z minus 1 is equal to minus 2 the cube, the whole power of 1 by 3. Cos, general term of polar form means add with 2k phi. Cos 2k phi plus I sin 2k phi. General term நாலே இருக்கக்கூடிய angle கூட 2k phi add பண்றதான் general term of polar form. Okay. So next what we have to do? So minus 1 bring it here, 3 and cancel. Here also the whole power of 1 by 3. So z is equal to minus 1, bring it opposite side means 1. There is actually, if you remove the bracket, minus 2, isn't it? So minus 2. Then cos 2k phi. According to the De Moivre's theorem, 3 கொண்டு இங்கே உள்ள கொண்டு என்ன ஆகும்? 2k pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi by 3. So cos 2k pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi by 3, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2. So when k is equal to 0 means what will happen? Z is equal to 1 minus 2 into, if you apply 0 means instead of k definitely 0 will come. So cos 0 plus I sin 0. Just now we wrote cos 0 plus I sin 0 means value will be 1. Therefore Z is equal to 1 minus 2 into value will be 1 means 1 minus 2. The first answer minus 1. See, the first answer minus 1. So first answer is over. Moving to when k is equal to 1. So when k is equal to 1, what will happen? Z is equal to 1 minus 2 into, k is equal to 1 means 2 into 1, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 cos 2 pi by 3, isn't it? Cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Listen, Z is equal to cube root of சொல்லக்கூடிய ஒரு கொஸ்டினில் கூட நம்ம இந்த கண்டிஷனை என்னென்னு எடுத்திருந்தோம், ஒமேகான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணியிருந்தோம். அப்போ இதை ஏன் கன்சிடர் பண்ணி இந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் வரும்போது இன்னும் ஈஸியாக புரியும். ஸோ லிசன் வெரி கேர்ஃபுல்லி. ஓகே, அப்போ இதை ஒமேகான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணுவோம். வாட் வில் ஹேப்பன்? வி கேன் ரைட் 1 minus 2 omega. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் when k is equal to 2, what will happen? Again Z is equal to 1 minus 2. K is equal to 2 means 2 into 2, 4 pi by 3, isn't it? Cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3. Again Z is equal to 1 minus 2 into, how to split the 4? We can write now 2 into 2. Cos 2 into 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 into 2 pi by 3. So according to the De Moivre's theorem, cos theta plus I sin theta the whole power n means, what is the meaning? cos n theta plus I sin n theta. இப்போ பவர் என்னன்னு எழுதும்போது ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் காஸ் என் டீட்டான் எழுதணும், உள்ள பெருக்கி எழுதுறோம். இதை ரிவர்ஸில் பாருங்கள். அப்போ காஸ் என் டீட்டான் இருக்கக்கூடியதா ரிவர்ஸ் ஆர்டரில் பவர் ஆஃப் என் எழுதலாமா? அப்போ இங்கே 2 இருக்குல்ல, இந்த 2 இருக்குல்ல, இதை பவராக மாற்றிக்கலாம்ல. for z is equal to 1 minus 2 into cos 2 pi by 3 I sin 2 pi by 3 the whole square எழுதலாம்ல, according to the De Moivre's theorem. So therefore the final term z is equal to 1 minus 2 into, just now we consider cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 means this is what is the name omega, isn't it? So we can write now 1 minus 2 omega square. See, this is actually when k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 means last condition 1 minus 2 omega square. Then when k is equal to 1 means 1 minus 2 omega. Then when k is equal to 0 means value we have minus 1. So we have proved 3 answers. Therefore the final line how to finish. Therefore the roots are, first answer minus 1, second answer 1 minus 2 omega, third answer 1 minus 2 omega square, 1 minus 2 omega square. This is our final line. Okay, so please listen my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. And one more point, if you need more information, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell button. Whenever I post a new video, you will receive the notification. Then another one important points, please give me your valuable feedback. I am ready to rectify my mistake if I did. Okay, thanks to viewers. We will continue our next video. Bye bye.